Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a summer spring haul and I thought I would show you guys what I got. So the first thing I got is from matches.com. Okay, so cute. It's so cute, guys. So I got a Zimmerman set. It's this really cute pink top and it came with these cute shorts. I will do a try on at the end of the video so you guys know everything, like what it looks like on me. It's such a cute muted pink. I feel like it just really fits the summer vibes that I'm going for. I just want something light and airy, and if I actually get married next year, then I could wear this on my honeymoon to Greece or whatever. So really pretty. Can you imagine this? On a beach in Italy, chilling. Oh, I can't. I would just love that. Okay. So it has these, I'm just gonna put the box here. So for the shorts, they're really high-waisted. It reaches up to, I think, up here. Like it covers your belly button for sure. It has these scalloping edges. And it goes all the way here. Like Zimmerman pieces are just really detail-oriented. It just shows great craftsmanship and you can feel the quality of this. Like, this is a linen piece. Normally with linen pieces I do get a bit worried that they would wrinkle, but I've had a couple of Zimmerman pieces and they don't wrinkle that much, so it's pretty nice to pack. So pretty. It's a floral pattern because summer, I'll be groundbreaking, I know. And the top is very cropped, like it's like up here almost to your boob crop, but I have barely any boobs, so it's fine. Again, the scallop edging, it even has some on the sleeve here. It's a big poofy sleeve, so it really balances out a bit of the more skimpiness of the top with the big ballooning sleeves. I think it just gives it a bit more character. I just really like ballooning sleeves. I think that's a total trend right now, you know? So yeah, at the back it's clasped by eye rivets, 3 eye rivets. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's also stretchy as well, so you can breathe. You can breathe in this top. Always a plus, right? Yeah. So cute set. That is my first item. My second item comes in another box. I wanted some really pretty nudish sandals. Just something that is just really nice for the summer, not black. I have so much black things at this point that I'm just like, let's chillax on the black, shall we? So I got a different color shoe. I'm going for something more tan colored, something more natural that looks really pretty with like pinks and blues and whites. So it's a white Amina Muaddi box. It's really cute. It comes with this pink dust bag, which I honestly don't really use dust bags. I just use them to like stuff other bags. So yeah. Oh, so cute. They're these strap sandals. It has a really thick platform and I really like it. Like, it looks really comfy. It's squishy, so you for sure are not gonna be walking on, you know, when some sandals, like I had another pair of sandals from, I think it's called Greek something, and they were a little, like the bottoms were just barely padded, so it's like walking on a plank of wood sometimes, which is not comfy, especially if I want to wear these to just, you know, walk around town and all that kind of stuff, just having that summer vibes. I don't want to be walking on a plank of wood. Like, sure, it's cute. I'm not gonna get it wrong. Don't get me wrong, it's cute, but it's not comfy. So I want something that's both. And these Amina Muaddi, oh my god, guys, so pretty. Like, it's hard to show you right now, but these kind of like go around your ankles here. And they strap on they have this strap in the front here that kind of holds your ankle back, so everything's kind of like held in place, but nothing's scraping you or rubbing weirdly against you, so nothing uncomfortable about it. So these ones do come in a range of colors. I saw them in a zebra print. I saw them in black, which was kind of the easiest option to find. And I found them in a neon green. But I feel like I'm over black. I don't think I'll ever wear neon shoes that much. Like, as much as I look at it, I'm just like, oh, that looks interesting. I probably wouldn't wear it for that long. So I thought, this seemed like the color that I really wanted, but it was so hard to get my hands on, honestly. The only place I found that actually stocked this, coming to Australia anyways, was Louisa Roma. It was very pricey compared to a lot of other websites, so be warned. And yeah, really cute. I love the tan color, and they do run true to size. These are Rene Caovilla boots. They're black. They're beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at them. Aren't they glorious? These need to be my new night out boots. Like, I have my Bottega boots, and those are really chunky and those are really cool. But when I'm dancing in them, I feel like I'm wearing giant bricks on my feet. Like, I feel like I am a hazard to be near. And I've stepped on myself. I've stepped on myself with my own boots. So I can say for a fact that if you ever step on yourself in your Bottega combat boots, you will cry in the club. You will cry. And although no one can ever see you, which is nice, no one can see you. It's dark. No one can see you. But you know, oh, you know that you cried. And you know that you need to check if all your makeup is still in place. So I've been looking for another pair of boots instead. Because after that, I was just like, nah, I'm just going to continue to wear like my older white sneakers just in case someone spilled drinks on them or someone stepped on them, or just the club floors are just disgusting, okay? Or even like to go to a bar, someone could accidentally spill a drink on you, and I'm not about that life. I am not about, you know, being like super chill when someone spills something on me. I'm just gonna stand there and just be in like complete shock, because most of the things are like things I love, and I don't want them to be ruined. I was like, I need them. They're just the amount of sparkle, like they're really something. When you look at them from afar, like you can even see on camera, right? How sparkly they are. It's beautiful, and the way it snakes around your leg, it's just really sexy. And I feel like if someone spills a drink on them, I'll be fine. I'll just wipe them. They're like black and they're leather, so they're okay. If, you know, if anyone steps on my foot, I'll be fine. If I step on my own feet, I think this one I'll survive. It's not as chunky as the Bottega ones. The only issue that I have is just like, I'm a bit worried about, like, I love the sparkle, don't get me wrong, but they're worrisome because although they're glued on, like, I'm worried that if someone does step on it really hard, some of them might come off. But at the same time, it's like, I bought these boots because I love them so much, I can't live without them. And if someone, you know, steps on them and stuff like that, it's just usage, you know? Nothing I can really do about it. But be warned. Be warned, these crystals, if you like accidentally kick yourself, they might come off. And these are really expensive boots. So yeah, they do go up really slim on the ankle. This might be an issue as well, because with my Bottega ones, they're really tight around your ankles, so it's really hard to get your feet out. With those ones, since they have a really big sole coming out, jutting out quite a bit at the back, it's fine. So I just literally take my foot, my other booted foot, and just push this as I pull one foot out, so it works that way. And then my other foot, I'll just use my normal naked feet. But these ones might be really hard because they're covered with crystals here. So if you try to kick here to pull your foot out, to help kick your foot out, that might be a struggle. So this might be a struggle to take on and off, but they're so beautiful, I don't really care. No, I don't. So yeah, wait for my birthday, guys. This is gonna come up again, and it's gonna be an epic outfit. I'm going to try and film one for you guys. Also, look at this thread. Look at it. Isn't it glorious? It's a snake. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been shopping and I am probably going to be shopping for the rest of this lockdown because it's nearing my birthday and I really love stuff. So you guys might be seeing a birthday haul coming up. I'm not sure yet. We'll see how I go. Definitely some kind of birthday related video is going to be coming up for the next couple of weeks. And yeah, like, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next week.
This town